I'm back with another update on Miami MD, and this is week number 3, the update, and I continue to see that those little lines that I had on each side of my mouth are starting to go away. Also, my under my eyes is starting to get less baggy, as you see. Also, those little frown lines that I had, they're starting to smooth out, and overall my face is starting to look different. Also, it's not as loose, but it's still soft to the touch. But I'm applying it twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening, and I really love the product. It is making a big difference in my face, and I never thought that I would need any products for my face, but once I turned 62, and this was past July, some things started changing, and I didn't like what I was seeing. So I'm starting to see some big changes in my face after using the product for about 3 weeks now, and so I will be back in another week to show you what's going on with my Miami MD experience. Until the next video, blessings, y'all.